Okay. Hi, I am Maria Eves, and today we are talking about how to find a good Etsy niche. And I know maybe you're thinking, like, what is an Etsy niche, or why do I need to know about this? But niching down on Etsy is super important if you want to make any sales. Maybe you've got some Etsy listings and you're like, why is my stuff not selling? And maybe you're even thinking that your art or your product is terrible. It's probably not. You are probably amazing, but sometimes it just comes down to your niche. Okay, so what is a niche? Pretty much a niche is just like a specific category that you put your product into or your artwork into. So you could have a niche that is like art for babies' nurseries, or you could have a niche that is like Instagram templates for course creators. And the more specific you are, the better your product will do. So you could even go more specific than Instagram templates for course creators. You could go Instagram templates for health and fitness course creators. And that is super specific and will sell way better than just a general Instagram template. The reason why you want to niche down is you don't want to be lost in this sea of products when people search for something. If you have exactly what they need, they're going to be more likely to buy that than something that's really broad. If we use that template, Instagram templates example, if you're just selling Instagram templates, but then you also have, or instead you market it as Instagram templates for health and fitness course creators, then someone who's in health and fitness and is creating courses to teach people about health and fitness, they're going to go straight to that product of yours and be like, yes, this is exactly what I need. I'm going to buy it right now. And there might only be like a small selection of Instagram templates for health and fitness course creators. So then you're way more likely to make a sale because you're not lost in this sea of thousands and thousands and thousands of just Instagram templates. Does that make sense? So let's talk about how this could apply to your product. If you have, say, some wall art or a painting that you've done, say, you could niche down, depending on what it's of. Let's say it's of a beautiful beach, a painting of a beautiful beach. So you don't want to just market it as painting of a beautiful beach. You want to be specific, like where could this hang? Where could it hang? Okay, so you could say for the living room, because some people might be searching specifically like for in their living room. You could turn it into like a postcard or an invitation once you've scanned it onto your computer. You could be specific, niche down by saying that it is printable, downloadable wall art. There are so many ways that you could make it specific, and you've just got to get creative. And the more creative you can get, and the more you can niche down so there's less people in the same category as you, the more people are likely to buy. Another way you can niche down is by thinking, what problem does it solve? Like sometimes people are looking for gifts, for example, and this is a problem they have, right? They need to find a gift for someone, and Etsy is a great place for finding gifts. A lot of people go to Etsy to find gifts. So you could say that your painting of a beach is a perfect anniversary gift. I mean, maybe someone got married on the beach, got proposed to on the beach. You could include kind of like this stuff into your listing to help you niche down. So it could be like anniversary gift, downloadable wall art beach painting, something like that. Don't write exactly that. That's just off the top of my head, but I mean, that's the kind of niche you could think about. I did an example of the Instagram templates. There are also lots of other templates that people might want to buy on Etsy, and invitations is actually a good one. So like you could do invitations for a girl's mermaid birthday party, or invitations for a boho wedding, or and invitations could be downloadable so they can print them themselves, or they could be a product that is fulfilled by a company like Printify, and so they could get like the physical product, but you still don't have to do anything because it just goes automatically to Printify. And I will talk about that in another video, which I will try and link up here. Yes, but now we're back on track. Okay, so there is a different niche. If you're selling invitations, you could have ones they print, ones that they receive in the mail already printed, and I hope you're starting to see how many ways you can niche down. If you want some tips, some hints, I have a guide which is totally free. If you want to download it, you can check in the description below, and I have linked up my guide to 100 Etsy niches, so go grab that. And if you have any more questions about Etsy and niching down, please put them in the comments below, and I would love to chat with you about it and answer your questions. So I hope that really helps, and I hope you see some more sales or your first sale on Etsy with the help of niching down.